Hey, Zach Warren here at Phillips RV in Bradley, Illinois, and behind me is the beautiful Coachmen Brookstone. This is a high-profile camper. It is made extreme quality. It's top of its class. It is a 4 seasons camper, meaning it has a heated underbelly and you can use it all 4 seasons of the year. Let's start right here at the fifth wheel hitch. This is a Rotaflex fifth wheel. It has a pivoted head to control chucking. Chucking is where you kind of feel your fifth wheel muscling you down the road, pushing you when you stop, pulling you when you start. It actually gives you a much easier start and stop, just an easier ride, better pulling experience. We come right in here. This is going to be generator ready. As you can see right there, it is prepped for a generator. We can install one for you. Everything's already ran for it. Battery box right in here with all of your hydraulics. A lot of people do love having generators, and it is a lot better when you have one that is already prepped than when you have to do an install right through the start. Now we have a solar ready right here along with our docking lights. Coming around this side, we have our water manifold system and our auto leveling unit. This will level the camper with the 6-point leveling system. You take the camper, you secure it down with the front landing gear, pull your truck out, come right around here, hit one button, it levels itself out. It's that easy, it's one button. We have your outdoor shower, we have your in-house water filter. This is actually winterized right now. We have all your waste valves and everything in here. We also have separate cable. What that does, the separate cable, is you can have a box for each TV in the house. That way the kids can watch SpongeBob while you're watching Nightline. We have your outdoor shower again, all of your hookups right in here. No more getting on your knees and leaning down to empty everything out. Now coming back here, we can see all the beautiful color and all the beautiful graphics. People always talk about how gorgeous these graphics are on the Coachmans. Coachman is a name that screams quality. Everyone knows the name Coachman. They have been around in the 60s and never stopped production. Coming around to the back, we do have a ladder so you can inspect your roof. It is very important to inspect your roof every year. This gives you ease of access. Strong bumper here. Coming around to this side, we're going to hit up the aluminum stairs. High grade aluminum folding stairs. This is a double axle unit. Now with these, very important, these are made with Azdel. Azdel is a type of material of where it's made. They take their interior wall, their insulation, their exterior wall, and a special polyurethane. It gets bonded together and vacuum sealed for 11 hours. What that does, it allows that glue to cure and gives this camper a less than 1% chance, less than 1% of ever delaminating. I am bold enough to say it will never delaminate. Less than 1% chance is very low. You can see right here, it tells you this is 4-season comfort. Again, this is a 4-season camper. You can live in this thing all year round. Now right here, we are going to have our outdoor kitchen. We have our fridge and our sink. Again, we have those nice magnetic slam latches that all we have to do is close. And as you can see, I am sitting on this beautiful couch here in the Coachmen Brookstone. Very comfortable. This does pull out into a queen size bed. Very, very soft, beautiful leather on this. Leather-like material, I should say. With the accent pillows. Coming over here, we have the Furrion TV. Furrion is a very high-grade company that makes for campers. It screams quality every time you see that name. We have your entertainment system here with your AM, FM, radio, CD player, DVD, auxiliary, Bluetooth, USB, and SD card reader. I know it's a mouthful, but it comes with everything. We do have the fireplace that does put out heat. It is a 1500 watt dual heat setting, so you have high and low. So if you wake up in the morning, you don't have to turn your propane on. You can heat this area right here while you enjoy your coffee. We have the beautiful pantry right here with the shelf and the electrical outlet with the doors. Now, I'm a big coffee guy. I have a Keurig at home. So for me, what I like to do with these is put my Keurig right here and plug it in and keep all my K-Pods right here. And then I just reach in here, grab and make myself some coffee and enjoy my morning watching the sunrise. Everything closes and opens very easy. And everything's made of quality when you close. You can hear the quality in it. We have the glass countertop, top for the 3-burner propane stove that does act as a backsplash over this backsplash. We do have the propane run oven, and then we also have our microwave right here. And then we have our Norcold refrigerator. Norcold is a very, very good brand. It is a dual-sided refrigerator and freezer. Now this is an automatic refrigerator, meaning it will run off electricity, or if you're going home and you have eggs and milk in here from your trip, while you're driving it will run off of propane to keep everything cool. This even has an ice maker in it. Very large, very convenient, very nice refrigerator. When you close it, you can hear everything shut tightly. Nothing is loose in here. We have our nice hard surface countertop right here. No laminated wood or anything. These do remove to reveal a 50/50 stainless steel sink. These are cutting boards if you'd like to use them for that. We have our drop down handle for our faucet, for our sink. It is a residential type faucet, and again, stainless steel, just like what you'd find in your house. If you lift these up, they are rather heavy, meaning it is made of a very high grade material. Now looking right over to the right, we also have our dinette table right here with the folding leaf. It does come with all 4 chairs, dual folding leaf. You can actually kind of pull this out and have more room if you need more for company or for the kids. Now we have our, what we like to call our in-law suite. This is an actual separate bedroom right here. Now inside this bedroom we have storage for clothes with a dresser, storage for anything up here, its own TV mount with its own cable and satellite hookup, and again we have our AV cables with another CD, DVD, AM, FM, Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and SD card right here to work in here, along with a top bunk. So you can actually sleep 3 people in here if you'd like, and it gives them entertainment. Now, if they would like their privacy, or if you'd like some time away from the kids, we can close this door right here and give everybody a little bit of privacy. Now, it will close all the way. I'm not going to disconnect it from here, but this other side closes right here. Now, coming around here, we're going to go into the loft area. Stopping by here, we have storage and all of our controls. Everything is power in here. Power awning, power slides, all of our water heater controls, and all of our lights. Tank heaters, these do have tank heaters for those cold weather days. If you're maybe in Michigan and it's November, you might need to use those. We have got our thermostat here with our auto leveling system. And then right up here, we have this ladder that pulls out and goes right up to this beautiful loft. I'll let our camera girl get up here and take a little peek of that. It is a very, very soft mattress. You could fit a couple kids up there or 1 adult. It's a very nice addition to this because, again, it adds up to 2 more sleeping areas. So far, we've showed you without going into the bedroom, we can sleep about 7 kids in here, or right around 5 adults. Now, in here is our main bathroom. We have our stainless steel sink with our countertop, beautiful shower, large shower, and these Brookstones, again, this is a high profile camper, so it's a very, very high quality camper. And then we have our toilet right here with the foot flush and plenty of storage for towels and necessities. Now coming through this way, we enter the bedroom. This one has the queen size bed. There is a king size option. You have another TV mount in here with cable and satellite, antenna as well for direction, with your wardrobe, mirror, and key box. We can actually store keys in here, whatever you like right here. Now, I told you before, it is prepped for a generator. Those controls are right here. And then we open up this and we have our nice walk-in closet. We do have seating and everything right in here. I'll get out of the way so our camera girl can get in there and show you a look. We have seating to put your shoes on. You can hang clothes. You have plenty of storage in there. It even comes with a step stool. Everything you need to make a great camping trip. Another thing that screams quality, you actually see the headboard right there on the bed. Not a lot of campers give you that. But again, this is a high profile, very, very nice camper. Again, I'm Zach Warren down here at Phillips RV in Bradley. I'd love to see you in here to take a look at this unit. Maybe we can send you out to make an adventure and make some memories.